Hello everyone, welcome to Vedantu guys. So today I am going to discuss about the very important question of quadratic equation, and according to given information we are having the one equation guys, and the equation is x square minus 6x minus 2 is equal to 0, right? And here alpha is greater than beta, right? So we are having the two equation, alpha and beta, and alpha is greater than beta guys. So and according to this information guys, we can say that alpha and beta are the roots of this equation. So alpha also satisfy this equation, so we can put the alpha square 6 alpha minus 2 is equal to 0, right? So now we are going to multiply alpha to the power 8 multiply by alpha to the power 8 in this equation guys. Multiply by alpha to the power 8, and after doing multiplication we can write here alpha to the power 10 minus 6 alpha 9 minus 2 alpha 8 is equal to 0, right? Are you getting my points guys? Okay, and this is the first equation, and similarly we can put and multiply, and after doing multiplication beta to the power 8, and you will get the value beta to the power 10 minus 6 beta to the power 9 minus 2 beta to the power 8 is equal to 0, right? Are you getting my points guys? Now, so this is the first equation and this is the second equation you can consider. And now what is the information is given? An equal to a to the power n minus b to the power n. So this information is given, an is equal to a to the power n means alpha to the power n and minus beta to the power n, right? So we can, I'm going to change the sign of the alpha guys, because I have taken the alpha sign this. So here also we can write alpha. No, this is not alpha guys, this is the a, right? So we can write here an is equal to alpha to the power n minus beta to the power n, right? So, and when we have to find out the a10 equal to, what we can write here, a10 is equal to, similarly an equal to alpha to the power n minus beta to the power n. Similarly we can write here the a to the power 10 is equal, a10 is equal to alpha to the power 10 minus beta to the power 10, right? Are you getting my points? And a9 equal to, we can write here alpha to the power 9 minus beta to the power 9, and a to the power a8 is equal to, you can write here alpha to the power 8 minus beta to the power 8, right? Because we have to find out the value of a10, a8 and a9, so we have to find out these three term only, right? And now we are going to subtract from equation first minus second, okay, right? So I am going to equation 1 minus 2, and after doing this we can write here the alpha to the power 10 minus 6 beta alpha to the power 9 minus 2 alpha to the power 8 minus beta to the power 10 plus 6 beta to the power 9 plus 2 beta to the power 8 is equal to 0, right? Are you getting my points guys? Now we can take the all the powers term with this along with, just like the alpha to the power 8 minus beta to the power 8, so we can take the together. So alpha to the power 10 minus beta to the power 10, we can simply write it as beta to the power 10, and after taking the minus 6 as a common, so after doing this we can write here the alpha to the power 9 minus beta to the power 9, and after taking the 2 as a common, so we can write here the 2 alpha to the power 8 minus beta to the power 8 is equal to 0, right? And after using all the information from here, we can put the value. So we can put here. So now guys, so we can write here the term is equal to alpha to the power 10 minus beta to the power 10 is equal to A10, right? And minus similarly alpha to the power 9 minus beta to the power 9, we can write here A9, right? A9 minus we can write here 2 A8 is equal to 0, right? Are you getting my points, guys? Now we can send this term into the another side, because this term in the question in the denominator. So we can write here simply this term a to the power 10 A10 minus 2A8 is equal to 6A9, right? Okay, and we have to find out the a to the power 10 minus 2A8, so that is present here, but we need 2 divided by 2A9, so we send 2A9, so it will become 3 here. So we can write here the a to the power A10 minus 2A8, and after sending 2A9 from this term, so we can write here the 2A9 is equal to, we can write here the 3, so value will be 3, guys, right? So you can simply say that it will be the correct answer, guys. So according to this solution, so you can choose which option is the correct. So option C is the correct, guys. So thank you.